Airetu a thukuru wa Maria Soti iria yakirwo ni mutigaire Nicholas Biwott na akimitua ritwa ria mami wao ari ta njira ya kumutia nio matongoririe thabari ya kumagaria umwe wa andu aria manakorwo na hinya muno guku bururi-ini Kipyetor Nicholas Biwott uria uratuitwo ndegwa ya Auckland kana Total Man. Kuri andu aingi ari mundu wa moko hindi ya wathani wa Koigoterwo na kuruhanagio na kugera andu aingi ngero, no kuri nyumba na arata arari mundu uragemagia mahinda mao na njira ya mwanya. Mathiko ma Biwott macokeria bururi kiuria kia morire ku amwe a andu aria marutithanagia wira nake hindi ya Moi.
You touched and changed all our lives. You invested in the education of our children to levels that we could only dream of. You shared your wisdom and gave our families jobs and opportunities. We love you, and we will tell the future generations about our Karnet, our pillar. You'll be greatly missed.
You have been our greatest source of inspiration and courage. Deep in our hearts, we will always keep your image, humility, bravery, and love.
President Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto aria ndugu yao yagwatire mari kiama-ini gia KANU matariria ugi uria arari naguo na meranira kurikia mibango yothe arambiriirie.
The whole lot of us celebrate the life of a great Kenyan, a man who achieved many things.
It's very sad sometimes and very painful and hurtful to families when people throw out a lot of untruths about people.
President Moi amutite kuhitukira murio na agacokia ngatho ni urata na wihokeku wake.
A consummate politician, and most of all, as Charles you'll agree, a smooth operator.
Biwott athikirwo muciini gwake gicagi-ini gia Tot mwena wa Kapterwa kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Bururi ukigeragia gwetha ciugo cia gutariria rugendo rwa Kipyetor Nicholas Kiprono Biwott guku thi undu andu othe maretikirania naguo ni ati ni muthuri wa koma na rugano rwa mwanya rwa bururi wa Kenya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi mwena wa Tot kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.